So we can talk a little bit about tuning your instrument before I start number 2. This is book 2, number 2. But before that, it talks about tuning, and really your best bet is to get a tuner, something that looks like this, and the little image tells you which way to tune your A string. And then it's also good to get familiar with what the fifths sound like. A to D, D to G, and G to C. And you begin to recognize when it's out of tune and when it's not in tune by the vibrations that you're hearing. Sometimes it sounds really, really disturbing, and then it comes together and sounds very cohesive. So here's number 2, D major scale, starting on the open D. 1, 2, 3, 4.